So let me give some personal, give a personal background. So I actually ended up in the field of cosmology completely by accident. And I was a graduate student at Harvard, and a friend of mine, a fellow graduate student, one May, came up to me and to a couple of others and said, why don't we do something completely different over the summer? Why don't we learn something, study something which is new, and we do that independent of any person with a PhD. And this person was Jenny Trashen. She'd found a preprint, which sounded interesting, which was the preprint of Alan Guth on inflation. So at that point, cosmology was a new field, completely new field. And so this was very exciting, and we could do new things. So my advice to a student is to always keep your mind open to new areas. And another advice is you should work on something which you should work in an area where there are either conceptual mysteries or else lots of data that needs an explanation. And if you're very lucky, it will be both. So you see, right now in cosmology, in my opinion, you have both. You have lots of data, new telescopes are coming online, and you also have the mysteries of dark energy, of the origin of the universe. So right now, it seems to me that cosmology still fits the bill. But you see, now I may actually be old-fashioned. So a young student should consider what I just said at the very end critically, and should look at the kind of data that we will get and ask the question, is that really going to be fundamentally new and interesting? And should look at the fundamental questions and say, maybe these are not fundamental enough. But so my advice to a student is you should look at areas where there's unexplained data and where there are fundamental mysteries.